Okay, so I am about to do the boys' room. I'm gonna try to be careful because I messed up this finger. Um, I don't know how. Uh, but I am going to. I don't know why it's like that. I am going to get started on their room so I can get their bunk bed put up before they come home from school. Hopefully, it does not take me long to do. So, in the middle of me trying to get things organized and situated and out the way, I was able to take a meeting for 30 minutes in regards to my youngest son. And that was about 30 minutes, which I almost forgot until it was time for me to clock out when I seen it. And then we end up, my mom ended up coming over as well and brought me a cappuccino. But I was just trying to get the boys' room situated so they would have more space. As you can see, the room is a mess, shoes everywhere. Now I am getting the other twin bed set up so I can do the rest. But then I just knew it was going to take too long, so I just going to show you guys the finished look.
This is
of putting it together.
final.
More space. They could move around a lot more. I am so happy I completed this before they was getting out of school. But then after school, I realized, okay, well, I gotta drop their paper off for after school program. So
Their
pick
pajamas
them
and
up
stuff over there.
and drop them off to the after school program.
Clothes,
And
shoes,
came
dirty
back
clothes, clean
and
clothes.
decided that I was going to
Get
fold the
that in a minute.
clothes.
Anyways, your girl is drained. So, I'll show you. I finished the boys' room, right? I just gotta do their clothes. I got 2 loads. It is super windy outside. The boys' room. All of that. Oh my gosh, like it was so windy outside. They're out there doing what they do. Had to wash her sheets. About to fold these clothes. Yes, my bed is up higher because I put the boys' box springs under. So we don't have to get rid of it in case they want to take their beds down. What else? After I do this, gotta get my workout out the way. Coat hanging up in the laundry room. I'm gonna try this. And see how I like it. So
So after I finished the clothes, I decided I was going to get my workout in, which got cut short even more because I had to go back up to the after school program because they lost power because of the strong winds, which it was no big deal. They had less than an hour left anyways. So yeah, like the power at the building was out. Our power didn't go out, but other people's did. And then street lights was out. That wind was so heavy, it was blowing signs everywhere. Had my husband's pickup truck rocking. Of course, I had to get interrupted by Cheeto and Kane and Mocha. So I'm about to finish out my workout with. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this workout for my abs and call it a day. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.